Hi, I'm Tori Welsh. I am a Boy Scout. I'm a Star Scout rank, and I'm going to show you how to do a shear hitch. First, shear hitches are for tying together two poles like this, or you can do it for whatever. First, for our hitch, we want to start out with a timber hitch, just like tying your shoes. Just like that, but then you put it under a second time, then you tighten it, make sure it is tight. And now we're going to get started on the lashing. First, we're going to put our other end of the rope through here. This is kind of be like a figure 8. Make sure you pull it tight. Make sure that timber hitch is tight. Put it through. Pull it tight. You want to do these 3 times. So, that's 1. Remember, you gotta keep it tight as you go along. That's 2. Pull that through. Pull it tight. And final one of our wraps. Pull it tight. Now what we're going to do is the fraps. And we want to go this way, not through here, because then it could pull the rope over here and it could go over these and start to loosen. So we always want to start this end, or whatever way the last one is. Pull that under. Pull it over. Make sure it stays tight. Put it under. Pull it tight. Remember, you want to do only 2 of these. Then we get to our clove hitch, which is the ending of our lashing. Put this up through there. And finally, loosen this just enough so you can get it through. Tighten that really good. Put it up against there. There you have shear lashing. Thank you for watching this, and this is how you do a shear lashing.